Hey, what's up guys? You're here with the Backwoods Backpacker, back for another gear review. A company by the name of Gear Best has contacted me and sent me some products that they want me to review. And I was actually able to pick the products that I wanted to review. So let's get started. We're gonna have a couple reviews on a couple different products here. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first product I want to go through is the, it's a little stove. It kind of looks like the Luxada little wood stove. So it comes in a little bag like this. Comes in a little carrying case, which is pretty nice. Alright, so it comes in all these pieces here, and now I've seen some of them that have like hinges and stuff. This one doesn't have hinges, so I'm interested to see how it actually gets, you put it together. So it comes in, alright, you got the two little pieces that go on the top to put your pot or something on there. This would be for almost like an ash pan, or to put, like, you can burn alcohol. What else? Like the little sternos and stuff that you could put in here. Let's see. And then you have four sides. You got the front. That would be to feed the wood and stuff in. And then you have the other three sides. So let's go ahead and try to put it together, and we'll see if it's easy, and then we'll go ahead and build a fire and stuff in it. Alright, so you got your bottom. Let's put these aside for right now. And it comes, now I took this off, but it comes almost like vacuum sealed with protective, almost like, it's like sticky, almost like a sticker. Comes on it so it doesn't scratch. I actually missed a few pieces. Let's put them to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and try to put these together. Now it has little slits in the side, if you can see it right here. Little slits in the side. And it's opposite on each side. So let's start out with the front facing you. It just kind of locks into place here. You just slide the two together. There's one. And I'm going to try to put this on now. I think that'll help it clip in a little better. Now let's try to actually put in three sides. And then try to put that on. Alright, and it just kind of clips in like that there. And I'll put the last side on. Let me see if I can flip this up. Okay, like that there. That clips in. Just have to get this side in. And it locks in. to place. I don't know if I did it, but it's a little bit bent. It actually could be the log I have it sitting on. I don't know. It might be a little bent. It really reminds me of the Luxottica stoves that I've seen on Amazon and stuff. Really. And it's the brand name is Nature Hike, I believe. Yes, Nature Hike is what the brand name is. Doesn't have the name on it, but I know it came with the package. And then here in the corners, there's kind of like a little space. I don't know if you can see that. These just kind of set down in. Actually, it would go this way, I believe. Kind of set down in there. And that's all there is to it. I believe that you actually can turn them like this. No, you can't. I wasn't sure. You can do this. Yeah, so you could actually have them up in the air. So it almost gives you about, if you flip them up, probably gives you another ½ inch from the flame. I would almost want it like this though. I would almost want it down in. Because it like secures your pot. See how it's kind of down in a little bit on the sides. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some wooden stuff in here and see how it works. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of tinder here and a cotton ball soaked in Vaseline just to make it quick. I'm going to hit it with the fire steel. I'm going to put it in here and then I'm going to see if I can keep the fire going in here. Slide this right in here. I'm just gonna add some of this tinder now. Let me turn this actually around. Now, I would always suggest making a hot fire in something like this first. Trying to burn any chemicals at all that's on the, that might be on the metal or anything like that. That's usually what I do. The smoke is blowing in my face at the moment. Now, let me try to raise this camera up and I'll get right back with you. You gotta be careful because this outside gets extremely hot. I'm gonna just start putting some bigger stuff in. I'm just gonna lay it right in here. When you put them in here, kind of cross it just so that it can still get some air. Alright, so now let's see if we can boil some water. Actually, let's get a couple more pieces of wood, and then we'll see if we can boil some water.